Your iPhone might look locked, but right now, strangers could still access important features on it. And most iPhone users have no idea this is happening. Let me show you 7 settings you must turn off immediately. First, go to the settings. Now, scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Now, enter the passcode and then scroll down to this section right here. Allow access when locked. This is where the danger starts. Number 1, Notification Center. If this is enabled, anyone can swipe down and read your messages, emails, and app notifications, even when your iPhone is locked. That's private information exposed. Turn this off right now. Now, number 2, and this is the most dangerous one, Control Center. If someone has access to Control Center, they can turn on airplane mode, disable Wi Fi, turn off mobile data, and much more. Which means Find My iPhone may stop working. This is exactly how stolen iPhones disappear. Turn this off. Number 3, live activities. These can show live rides, food deliveries, sports updates, and timers. Anyone holding your locked iPhone can see what you are doing in real time. If you care about privacy, turn this off as well. Now, number 4, Siri. With Siri enabled on the lock screen, someone can ask who owns the iPhone, call contacts, access personal information, even without unlocking your phone. If security matters to you, disable Siri on the lock screen. Number 5, reply with message. This allows anyone to reply to calls or messages without unlocking your iPhone. That means someone could impersonate you. Turn this off immediately. Number 6, wallet. Your cards might still be protected by Face ID, but notifications and card previews can appear. For extra safety, it's best to disable wallet access when locked. And number 7, return missed calls. This allows someone to call back missed numbers without unlocking your iPhone. That's another way your phone can be misused. Turn it off right now. So again, turn off Notification Center, Control Center, Live Activities, Siri, Reply with Message, Wallet, and Return Missed Calls. Your iPhone is not truly secure until you fix these settings. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more real iPhone privacy tips, and share this with someone who thinks their iPhone is fully locked. Trust me, they will thank you later.